This is I'll show you where we parked. This is not a self-contained spot, but we parked here up last night. There were a Chilean couple parked here last night. They had a self-contained sticker, but I don't think they were self-contained. But let's just have a look at this. This is at Gulf Harbour. Interesting little park. Last night everybody had their generators out so they could watch TV. It's so noisy, but now they've all put them away. This guy leaving has a nice little rig, except for he had his generator on last night. Someone's nice converted bus. Big money in this deal. They got a bloody truck towing it. I wonder how much that is, $500,000. Hello, beautiful puppy. A lot of little pups around. They probably just know to come down here. Tekapo Jet Tours. Wonder if that is still a jet boat tour, people, or he's bought it. A neat little 4x4 rig there. It's a problem with a lot of these people, they take up 2 parks with the caravans. Hey puppy. Ford Transit. That must be his doggy. Anyway, this is Gulf Harbour. Way down the distance you can see Auckland, not really on my camera. These generators make so much noise. There's a dump station there. This is Gulf Harbour, which is just north of Albany on the coast. We came in here yesterday. Heavy wind followed by torrential rain all last night. Yeah, it's just all that noise is coming from one generator. Anyway, that's Gulf Harbour. The ferry from Auckland comes in here. Didn't realise ferries travelled so far. And that's where we parked, making no noise and no bother for anybody. It was noisy last night with 3 or 4 of those generators outside the vehicles. Yeah, I'd want to charge up my batteries too. No solar, I don't think he's got 1, 2, 3, 4 small solar panels on the roof. Anyway, here's my baby. Person built a house here on spec and they sold it and they bought a farm down in Hawke's Bay. One of these brown houses, I guess. Anyway, that's where we camped last night, Gulf Harbour.